Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to create a Google document so that you can type up your final drafts for your paragraphs or for your fictional stories. Okay, so by this time you should have your rough draft done. You should have already done your editing part of it. Okay, you should have edited, changed 5 dead words. You should have looked through for punctuation, capitalization, and also doesn't make sense. Okay, so next week, or not next week, this week we are going to type up our final drafts if you have not already typed it up, okay? But I want to show you how to do that using a Google document. So once you're in your assignment, and it's going to not be your fictional writing edit, okay? It's going to be your final draft, but over here you're going to go to add or create, okay? So if you click on that, it's going to have all these options. Well, you want to create a doc. So if you click on doc, it's going to create a Google document right here. Okay, so it's going to load. And it may take a few seconds. Okay, but it's going to load and it's going to come up like this. Okay, it's going to have your name and then it's going to have the assignment behind it. So you're going to click on it. And it's going to open up something that looks like this. This is just like Pages, okay? You know, all the other stories, writings that we've done on the computer and we've typed them up and printed them out. This is just like that, except it automatically saves it, and it automatically saves it right here in your assignment. So you don't have to worry about uploading anything or saving it. It is automatically saved. So what you're going to do right here is you're going to write your story out, your 3 paragraphs, whatever. Okay, write it all out, type it up. Make sure you look through it though for your capitalization, your punctuation. Make sure you didn't spell any words wrong, okay? And then you can literally X out of it because it's going to automatically save it, okay? And it's automatically going to save it right here. So if I go back into this document, everything I just typed up is right here, okay? It just automatically saves it, okay? So once you get done typing up your entire fictional story, final draft, it looks good, you've double checked it, all you're going to do is turn it in, okay? And once you turn it in, I have that document. I can read your writing, I can see everything. You have to do nothing more, okay? So all you need to do is click up here, create a Google document, okay? And then go ahead and type up your paper. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.